In this video, we will try not to mix avant and avant. So avant can be a preposition, but it can also be an adverb. And that's the reason why it's quite important to have few examples to make sure that you understand the difference between the two. So let's start with avant as a preposition. So avant can be a preposition, and here is the example. Nous pouvons manger au restaurant avant d'aller au cinéma. So as you can see, as a preposition, it will introduce something else. So in that case, it's a verb, aller au cinéma. It could be a noun, it could be a pronoun, but remember, as a preposition, it will introduce something. Nous pouvons manger au restaurant avant d'aller au cinéma. So this is avant as a preposition. Now, let's have a look at avant as an adverb. Il n'est plus ici, mais il est passé avant. Il n'est plus ici, mais il est passé avant. So as you can see, in that case, avant is not introducing anything after, it's not connected to a noun, it's not connected to anything after, it's only as an adverb connected to passé here. Il est passé avant. And then you will finish the sentence like that. So remember that the tricky thing in French is that certain words, and avant is one of them, can have different roles, different functions. So you really need to make sure that you are using them properly.